Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and I'd like to invite you to participate in observing my YouTube channel's upcoming 3rd anniversary and to celebrate all things Porsche. This is an open invitational to everyone. The guidelines are simple. Choose any casting by any maker in any scale size. It just has to be a Porsche. The one and only unbendable rule is that everyone, in the spirit of generosity, has to pay it forward and give their build away when it's finished. The date for posting a video or pics on your social media site is Saturday, March 18th. If you don't have an online presence, you can still join in. Each of the participants this year will be eligible for several draw prizes, each on a Porsche-related theme. Be sure to use hashtag MLC Porsche 3 so we can locate all of the great pics. Comment below to let me know you'll be participating. I sure hope you will. More information is coming soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for visiting today. It's coffee time.